This is Science Mentor, and in this lesson you will learn how to organize a lengthy spreadsheet using outline in Excel. If you have a list of data you want to group and summarize, you can create an outline of up to 8 levels. Each inner level, represented by a higher number in the outline symbols, displays detailed data for the preceding outer level, represented by a lower number in the outline symbols. Use an outline to quickly display summary rows or columns, or to reveal the detailed data for each group. Select a cell in the range of cells you want to outline. On the Data tab, in the Outline group, click the group. You should see your spreadsheet update immediately to display the outline. This includes numbers, corresponding lines, and plus and minus signs in the gray area to the left of the rows or at the top of the columns. The lowest number and the furthest left buttons below the one are for your highest level view. The next highest number and the buttons below it are for the second highest level. The numbers and buttons continue for each level until the final one. You can have up to 8 levels in an Excel outline. If you create an outline and decide to remove it later, it's a simple couple of clicks. Select your outline and head back to that Data tab one more time. Click Outline and then the arrow below Ungroup, click Clear Outline and you're set. Also, you can automatically calculate subtotals and grand totals in a list for a column by using the subtotal command. Subtotals are calculated with the summary function, such as sum or average, by using the subtotal function. You can display more than one type of summary function for each column. In the Add Subtotal to section, add a check mark to all the columns in which you want subtotal. For example, I check population box. Check or uncheck the final 3 options based on your preference. After the subtotal dialog box closes, the data shows the subtotal after each changes in the category column, and there is a grand total at the bottom of the data. By default, Excel looks for summary rows below the details they summarize, but it's possible to create them above the detail rows. If you created the summary rows below the details, on the Data tab in the Outline group, click the dialog box launcher. Then in the Setting dialog box, clear the summary rows below detail checkbox. Thank you for liking this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for the latest videos.